Hey guys, I'm Brandon, and welcome back to Brandon Lamborghini. So today I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite Nerf guns. So first I gotta go upstairs and get it. So now I'm going to get it. As you see, my headphones are glowing because they're light up. So it's dark up here. And I'm watching Timmy turn very appearance, but you can not see. So, and these are my action figures. Wait, I'll turn the light on. These. And this one. This Spider-Man and my Thanos are my favorite. So, back to the Nerf guns. So, my favorite Nerf gun in my collection, see, these are my collection. And this, my sniper, is my favorite. Because if you don't know how to use a sniper, like if you're a teenager and you have a sniper and like Robert comes in, if you don't know how to use it, so you just get a fake one and then you just practice with it, and that's how you get better. So I'm going to be testing it out. 1 second.